So yeah, so now that we got that spot right there, you're doing so good. You're doing so good. I'm gonna massage it a little bit. Yeah, because that's still a little tight. It's still a little tight. Okay. Okay. All right, little baby. All right. Okay. It's all right, precious. Yeah. You're being so good. All right. So let's see. Can you turn your head this way? Can you turn your head this way? A little bit. Can you turn it? Can you turn it? And no crying while we do it. Oh boy. All right. Mommy's gonna be happy. So. All right.